हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। कैसे हो आप सब? आई होप आप सब ठीक ही होंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपको शेयर करने वाली हूँ क्लास 8 का चैप्टर 11 साइंस का फोर्स एंड प्रेशर। तो यहाँ पर उसके कीवर्ड्स हैं, ये देखिए। अगर आपको कीवर्ड्स इसका देखना होगा तो आप इसे कमेंट करिएगा, मैं इसका एक नेक्स्ट पार्ट बनाऊंगी। आज मैं आपको ओनली एक क्वेश्चन आंसर्स बताने वाली हूँ। तो पहले हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स खोल लेते हैं। यहाँ पर उस बुक के एक्सरसाइजेस के क्वेश्चन है। ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, give 2 examples each of situations in which you push or pull to change the state of motion of objects. First, push का. First, we close drawer by pushing. Second, we move a wooden box by pushing. Pull का. First, we draw water from wells by pulling the rope. Second, a horse pulls a cart. Second question, give 2 examples of situation in which applied force causes a change in the shape of an object. इसका आंसर है when we apply force on a rubber band to stretch it and on clay to change its shape. Third, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First, to draw water from a well, we have to pull at the rope. Second, a charged body attracts an uncharged body towards it. Third, to move a loaded trolley, we have to push it. Fourth, the north pole of a magnet repels the north pole of another magnet. Question number 4, an archer stretches her bow while taking aim at the target. She then releases the arrow, which begins to move towards the target. Based on this information, fill up the gaps the following statement using the following terms. ये उसके ऑप्शंस है। ये हमारा फर्स्ट का, टू स्ट्रेच द बो द आर्चर अप्लाइज अ फोर्स दैट कॉज ए चेंज इन इट्स शेप. The force applied by the archer to stretch the bow is an example of muscular force. Third, the type of force responsible for a change in state of motion of the arrow is an example of a contact force. Fourth, when the arrow moves towards its targets, the forces acting on it are due to gravity and that due to friction of air. Fifth question है हमारा, in the following situation, identify the agent exerting the force and the object on which it acts. State the effects of the force in each case. First है squeezing a piece of lemon between the fingers to extract its juice. Answer, agents are fingers, object is lemon, effect of force changes lemon. Second, taking out paste from a toothpaste tube. इसका आंसर है the hand exerts muscular strain on the tubing of the syringe. As a result of the toothpaste, the tube's shape changes. Third है a loaded suspended from a spring while its other end is on a hook fixed to a wall. Answer, a downwards force is applied to the spring by a suspended weight. The spring lengthens as a result of this. Fourth, an athlete making a high jump to clear the bar at a certain height. इसका आंसर है when attempting a high leap, an athlete's feet exert muscular power on the ground. As a result, he leaps over the bar, changing his state of motion. Sixth, a blacksmith hammers a hot piece of iron, making a tool. How does the force due to hammering affect the piece of iron? Answer, the force due to hammering causes the change in the shape of the iron, and iron can be molded in the shape of the required tool. Question number 7. An inflated balloon was pressed against a wall after it has been rubbed with a piece of synthetic cloth. It was found that the balloon sticks to the wall. What force might be responsible for the attraction between the balloon and the ball? Answer, electrostatic force. Question number 8. Name the forces acting on a plastic bucket containing water held above ground level in your hand. Discuss why the forces acting on the bucket do not bring a change in its state of motion. इसका आंसर है the muscular force applied by the hand and the weight owing to gravity are the forces operation to the plastic bucket because these two forces are equal and opposite one another. There is no change in the state of motion. Question number 9. A rocket has been fired upwards to launch a satellite in its orbit. Name the two forces acting on the rocket immediately after leaving the launching pad. इसका आंसर है, फर्स्ट है ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑफ द अर्थ डाउनवर्ड एंड सेकेंड है फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स ऑफ एयर इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन। आंसर नंबर 10 हमारा टिकदा है। When we press the bulb of a dropper which its nozzle kept in water, air in the dropper is seen to escape in the form of bubbles. Once we release the pressure of the bulb, water gets filled in the dropper. The rise of water in the dropper is due to एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर। इसका आंसर है तो फ्रेंड्स ये थे हमारे चैप्टर 11 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। आई होप आपको पसंद आए होंगे। तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब कमेंट शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए कि मैं ऐसी वीडियोस आपके लिए और लेके आऊँ। इसलिए आप मेरे साथ फटाफट मेरे वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए और वीडियो का आप देख पाएँ और समझ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।